Get your boy no fish up back plate. Get your boy no fish concentrate. Get your boy living chacos and chain. But get your boy got some guns and spade. Get your boy put up puzzle and pray. Government how them shoot they like spray. Government from the 60s done change. Get your boy say we stand up for change. We tell them say one day somebody gonna stand up tall to the people. We tell them say one day somebody gonna stand up tall to the people. Somebody when we go trust, somebody when go get love, somebody when no go talk, like Mr. Desmond Elliott. Somebody when no go pot, when youth start to go cut. Somebody when no go dodge, when hold me won't start to judge, yeah. In Nigeria, you will be the one to generate your life. You will be the one to generate your own water, your security. Me government bad. Right now, you know the digital business that we're going to promote by ourselves. And I'm saying this for Nigeria. Me government lie. The government kill. The government lie. The government fraud. The government steal. The government bad. The government bad. Corruption them bad. The government bad. One day, somebody gonna stand up tall to the people. Me tell them say, one day, somebody gonna stand up tall to the people. I put it before you that one day the youth shall rise up and they shall go from house to houses and kill you politicians who are eating our money and make the people suffer. I tell it to you that one day the youth will rise up and you all will be born.